Chevre, 18th Avenue and 48th Street. Ja, Mehadrin, Cut and Deli, the brand new Mehadrin. Immer gemacht, shine, frisch, beautiful. Man walkt daran, du, man schmeckt Lal Shishi, man schmeckt Shabbos Kodesh. Kijk was du aufgesetzt, der Covid Shabbos Kodesh. Wow. Wie der Manager do? Ah, smachs the Shia. When they say ask Shia, they mean you, yeah?
That's it, I'm the one.
So bereid dich verlegen Shia. Wat aan de Michael? Mathieu. Wer designed the store? Beautiful design.
The designer did an amazing job. There's a lot of effort to put into the store to make it look geschmack to walk in. Geschmack atmosphere, beautiful, nice, clean, frisch in geschmack. I don't think there's another butcher who's designed as a shine. Kijk at him.
Kijk at the design though. Ik denk this store for you long. My father used to come here. Correct. It's a very old store.
Correct, it's an old store. We got the expertise of an experienced old store, but you have the shopping experience of a brand new store.
Wow, I like that. Beautiful. So the Fleisch is a butcher who's doing this for 30, 40 years. Was ken a stick of Fleisch.
Oh yeah, kijk hoe neem maar, kijk hoe neem flanken.
Kijk hoe neem flanken. Wow, those are flanken, man. Those are flanken. Wow, you guys know your stuff.
We do. Yes, we do. And I want to show you, we have a brochure now. It's easy to order from home. We have text, WhatsApp, you can call in, you can text in or WhatsApp your orders. Look at this, look how beautiful.
Wow,
es steht pinklich mit Sidder, jede Sache, man sieht pinklich, wie viel es kommt in a pack. Klur, mit Sidder, it's easy, try it out. Here's the one, same number for talk, text and WhatsApp. You can call in your orders, text in your orders, WhatsApp your orders. Come pick up your brochure, call in, sign up for an account if you haven't already, and we're looking forward to serving you. Now let me show you some more.
I'm in a Shia, I'm steht schon du, Krostik. Das ist doch mein Chaber, Gottdiener.
The beste, als getested sourdough?
The
beste sourdough.
Wat is jede Woche? Krostik sourdough.
Ich bringe es an special for Monty.
I did watch a video in his factory. Man sieht mir gemacht this. It's something else.
Amazing. I'm telling you, I eat this every Shabbos. The best sourdough.
So now I believe you only carry the top of the top.
Top of the line. Whatever we do is only the top, the best of the best.
Wow, I mean dip sauce. You're full
variety.
Stocked. Fully stocked over here. Wow, kick up the variety. So this has the cover Shabbos.
Jede Donnerstag, come by, Lal Shishi vibes, Shabbos vibes. Menschen kaufen for Shabbos, for Friday night, main course. Look at this.
So that way to this.
As good as it looks, I can guarantee you it tastes even better.
Okay.
And you can come in, taste for yourself some dips. Every week we have dips laid out for tasting.
China crackers, say hello to Shia.
Later on, we put out our world famous gala as well. Have you tried our gala?
Nein, not
Our
finished.
gala, you have to try it. I'll take one out.
Okay.
You have to try our gala. Is world famous, and our liver. Come by, you'll taste the best gala that you've ever had. Now check out.
Overnight Kegel, was noch hast du Shia?
Japchik.
Oh, kijk de Japchik.
Hij heeft schon een bisschen van de zaad.
Oh, chicken fingers.
En de chult.
Ooh, kijk op de
One thing I can tell you, the consistency with the texture. You can't put this into the video. Smell this. Ah.
De smack. We kunnen er al lang Shia smack in the video.
It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Baruch Hashem, we put in a lot of effort that whatever we put out, you can be sure that it's the best of the best. And let's not forget, we have fast and free delivery in the entire bar park on any chicken and beef. You can call us up for literally a pack of chicken cutlets. You're in the middle of making supper, you need chicken cutlets, call me up, text, WhatsApp, and you'll get it delivered quickly.
Wow.
No minimum.
No minimum. Jetzt Shia, wir gehen, wir stehen, machen wir eine Perlowitz promotion. What's the promotion do?
Avada, Chaim, special for you. I'll do whoever signs up this week until Purim, signs up for an account, you put a credit card on file. Your first order, I'll give you, your first meat order, I'll give you 20% off.
Nice.
Special
Beautiful.
for the Perlowitz status.
That's a nice
Mention
promotion.
Perlowitz status, sign up for an account, make sure to mention the Perlowitz status, and put your credit card on file. I'll give you 20% off
First
meat
order.
order.
The first meter, whenever it is.
Any beef or chicken.
Besides, they can make an account till beat him, but they can make the first order whenever they want.
That's it.
That's it, Kevin. Make an account by Shia.
Trust me, it's going to be an experience you'll want some more.
Wow.
We'll come back
Okay, Kevin, I'm going to put the phone number on the screen. Call up, text, WhatsApp. Make an account, sign up, and 20% off your first meat order. Look at